Welcome to World Class University virtual session. We're gonna look at our the telecommunications local area network and wide area network. I want to ask you to switch off your phones and stay focused on the program on the course so that you can be helped. Get your pens and your notebooks or books so that you can take note of certain things. The other thing is that you can also download the lesson and be able to revise on it over and over until you really understand. So here we have a local area network example where we have computers. You can see we have computers. We have the main computer here, which is a CPU, a saver. You can see the cables. The saver is sending our data to this computer over here and sending data to that computer using a network cable. Over there also we have the same arrangement. The cable is reaching up to here. Back on the saver here, the CPU is sending also information to the printer. If someone here wants to print a document, you will command a document it to first come to the saver will send it to the printer. Then right here we have also the same arrangement. The cable is transmitting network here. From here it's transmitting network to that desktop up to that desktop. So there is a local area network. So here there is a local area network. Okay, it's happening locally. They're able to transfer information locally. So we have also a wide area network, which is known as WAN. The advantage is that if you see very well, there's a map that shows different continents all around the world. So you see that there are computers in Africa, South America, Asia, different countries, different continents. So the arrangement here we have is that the cables are moving from one place to another, from one country to another. There is a wide area network there. So network is not just local, but it's worldwide. It's moving all over the world. Information is being transmitted all over the world. So it's called a wide area network. And that's the difference between a local area network and a wide area network, is that the local area network sends information within the premises or maybe 3 groups of buildings. But we're talking about the wide area network, the one we're talking about cross networks, crossing countries, not just cities, but nations. Introduction. A local area network is a data communication network, typically a pocket communication network limited in geographical scope. A local area network generally provides a high bandwidth communication over an expensive transmission medium. This lesson discusses what local area networks are, their structure, their sort of protocols that are used with them, and their applications. It also discusses the relationship of local area networks to long-haul networks and computer systems WAN over zero buses, as well as the impact of these networks on the field of computer communications today. Local area networks, LAN. A local area network, LAN, is a computer network within a small geographical area such as a home, school, computer laboratory, office building, or group of buildings. A LAN is composed of interconnected workstations and personal computers which are each capable of accessing and sharing data and devices such as printers, scanners, and data storage devices anywhere on the LAN. LANs are characterized by high communication and data transfer rates and the lack of any need for leased communication lines. A LAN is composed of interconnected workstations and personal computers which are each capable of accessing and sharing data and devices such as printers, scanners, and data storage devices anywhere on the LANs. LANs are characterized by high communication and data transfer rates and the lack of any need for leased communication lines. Components of a local area network, like any other data communication network. A local area network is composed of three basic hardware elements: a transmission medium, often twisted pairs, coaxial cable, or fiber optics, a mechanism for control of transmission over the medium, and an interface to the network for the host computers or other devices, the nodes of the network that are connected to the network. In addition, local area network shares with long-haul pocket communication networks a four basic element: a set of software protocol implemented in the host computers or other devices connected to the networks, which controls the transmission of information from one host or device to another via the hardware elements of the network. Thank you. Now, the next lesson we're going to look at our a wide area network. Kindly click on this next video, next lesson, so that you can also participate on the virtual session and the wide area network. Thank you very much.